Let's dive into some of the pieces and parts about the bill specifically so that tax pros understand what's in it and then how it's going to affect their clients. These things are going to be about deductions for tips, overtime, auto loan interest. These sound like a big deal to me. How can tax pros guide their clients to be able to take advantage of some of these deductions?
Yeah, these are new deductions that we have not been familiar with, and those are the ones that come in with this bill. So yes, if we talk about new deductions that are allowed, the no tax on tips is what it's known. It's a deduction up to $25,000 for qualified tips. Now, there are income limitations. So if your income is over $150,000, or $300,000 if you're married filing joint, then that $25,000 of a deduction starts to get reduced. And so when we're talking about the tips, it's qualified tips. And I think it's just the awareness that we have to bring to our clients of what is qualified tips versus non-qualified tips. I think the biggest responsibility that lies in right now is the IRS to give us guidance on exactly which industries are available to have this type of deduction, and also the reporting requirements. That we're talking about W-2s, how are qualified versus non-qualified going to be treated on here, and self-employed, which you're not really thinking too much about self-employed, but self-employed, they receive tips. We think about the Uber drivers, the Lyft drivers, they also receive tips, and how is that going to get reported on their forms, the 1099 NECs, or any type of reporting statement? And so that's what the IRS is busy right now, because they do have 90 days after we enacted this bill, which was July 4th of 2025. They have 90 days to come back with us with guidance and reporting requirements. So they have their hands full. So that is one of the deductions, right? And then we're talking about overtime, the qualified overtime. That is $12,500 for each taxpayer that has that qualified overtime. And so the awareness that we need to bring to our clients is which of our clients have been paid in overtime, which ones do receive overtime compensation, which before it didn't really matter. It was taxable income. You get taxed on all of your wages, including overtime. We didn't care about the differentiation. Now we do. And so the awareness that we should be bringing to our clients is having that open conversation with them. Are you salaried? Are you qualified? Are you getting paid qualified overtime? And so let's have that conversation.